guys, welcome back today. Today we're going to be taking this backhoe off the tractor and putting the 3-point hitch on. I have an implement coming shortly that I want to make sure works before I take delivery on it. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to show you guys how this works. With this machine, you need to put the outriggers down and the bucket down on the ground. Take the pressure off of a couple of pins that are in here. Let me show you where the pins are. There are two pins that hold this backhoe in place. One is right here and the other one is right there. So the snap rings come out, those pins slide out, and then the whole backhoe comes right off. I'm going to show you how that works. Now with the tractor off, I can disconnect these hydraulic hoses with a quick release couplers. Now you want to be sure to hook these hoses back together on both the tractor side and the backhoe side. This helps prevent dirt and soil from getting inside of these and fouling up your hydraulic system. And that's literally it. I'm going to pull away. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to get the 3-point hitch put on this tractor. I'm going to make that another episode, so thanks for joining me, guys. Hope to see you again soon on my next episode.